let's go to our Microsoft Word and start writing our CV. So we'll start by the contact information. It contains a name, address, and other information. As you can see, the name here is bold and also centered. You can format your CV in a way you like, as long as it is easy and clear to read and understand. Then we have our professional summary in sentence or sentences. We have education, and once you come to the education section, you make sure you add the date, that is the starting and ending date. And then next we have the professional experience. In this section you write any work experience you have attained throughout your journey, and you can do that by writing the title of the job you did, then the organization name, and then what you did in the organization. For example, here we have software developer as the title of the job, and then the name of the organization, which is Greener IT, and then the work experience, which is developed an AI searching app called White Collar, and then we have the date. And next we have the skills section, which is meant for listing relevant skills only. You can make them in bullet form, as you can see. And then we have the certification, which you can see in a tabular form. You can change the style or the format which you want your certification section to be in. We have the title of the certification, and then where we attain the certificate, and then the year of the certificate. Next we have the career objective. Mostly in this section, people insert lively words, which shows how passionate they want the job they are applying for. And lastly, we have the reference, which contains the name and contact of person who will give a good recommendation about you. In whichever way you write your CV, just try to make sure it is easy to comprehend and also tailor your CV to the job you are applying for. If you are watching this video and you find this video very helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you, and see you in the next video.